I'm your girl Cha Jones, and this is Life's a Vacay, and I am in Bangkok, Thailand. And today we're going to go ride the elephants. So I'm excited, but I'm going to just go ahead and forewarn you there's going to be a little cursing, but here we go. Come on.
100 บาทคือ elephant riding แล้วก็
Nice. Nice. Riding the elephants.
ยายเบิ่งเด้รวยเว้ยกาโมรวยเว้ยได้หวยก็ไม่บอกเอ้ยไม่ถูกดูอะไรเสียให้เขาไป2 ครั้งแล้วนี่
Woo! 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 Hold on. Woo! You what? You a big boy?
Baby
I'm a
move.
bit moved.
Over.
Baby move. Baby.
This way?
Yeah. Move.
Move this way.
Baby. Move. Yeah.
This way?
Yeah.
This go.
Okay. Thank you.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. Water. Step baby. Yeah. Step baby. Yeah.
Okay. Woo. Okay, hold on tight. Oh shit. Woo, 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 woo. Ah. Hold on, Langston.
Whoa, mommy. They can go in pool.
We in the pool.
The elephants can go in pool.
Yes, the elephants can.
Elephants are not supposed to go in pool.
Hey.
And they can get the elephants and do like this.
Woo, elephant. Woo, elephant. Woo.
Have to hold tight.
Huh? Still hold on tight. Yep. Ooh.
When they sound the voices club, they'll say,
Whoa.
Step baby one more.
Okay.
Okay. Solo elephant solo. Yeah,
Whoop, whoop, whoop,
baby.
whoop, 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 whoop.
Okay. Yeah.
Mommy, I love elephants.
You love elephants?
Love elephants. and over trunks.
Mm-hmm.
They have trunks. But look, Mommy, they just drinking water, okay? Wow. That's why they just say, "Ooh," then they will pull the water. The elephant can drink, but
Thank you for watching. This was an experience, I must say. So, I always hate that I sign up for these things after I sign up for them because I'm like, why am I doing this? It's like not necessary. But anyways, until next time, you stay blessed and keep traveling with us on Life's a Vacay. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, peace.